What's up, guys? Logan here, and today I'm going to be going over my gear loadout for my trip that's coming up here soon. It'll be myself and my 1.5-year-old German Shepherd Jaeger. He's around 90 pounds. He's a big boy. He's still growing, and I'm super excited to get him out in the wilderness with me. This will be his first time ever doing an overnight this far into the backcountry. So we'll start up here in the top left. I have my Everly stock pack. I'm actually getting a hyperlight pack here soon. With a lot more storage space, but I always make it work on these trips, and I'm going to on this one as well. So here we have the pack. I have my field stool with the topographic on it. I really love this thing. I took it on that last trip with Doc, and it'll be a great use again. I have my RTS Tactical IFAK here. I have a tourniquets in here, gauze, some sutures, some hemostatic gauze, things like that. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Coming down below the IFAK, we have 2 3-liter Camelbacks. I'm going to bring 6 liters of water in these bladders here. And then I'm going to bring my Nalgene here, which is an extra liter. And then working up here to the top, have my Corinthia Defense 6. This is my favorite sleeping bag that I own. This thing is rated for you can sleep in negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit in it pretty comfortably. I've taken it down to around negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It was super warm. My Big Agnes 4-man tent. It'll be myself and my German Shepherd in there. Cell phone pad. Not bringing an air pad on this one because Jaeger's not going to sleep on one, so I'm not going to. But I am bringing my inflatable pillow from Atepa. And then coming down here, we have my base layer. So top, bottom, base layer. And then I have some extra upper layers. This is a mid layer here. This is a Patagonia. It's a quarter zip. Very cozy, very comfy. Just something to hang around and camp in when it starts to get colder, because this trip it could possibly snow. The weather forecast is looking good, but at the high elevations, you never really know. Bringing this as another choice option that could the fleece could be chosen over this, or they could be worn in conjunction. This thing did awesome on the last trip. And then just in case it does get extremely cold, which it very might well, into the low 20s, upper teens, could possibly, hope it doesn't, it might. My classic extreme cold weather system, Happy Top, that has seen a lot of use on other trips, has never failed me. My Patagonia pants, these things are absolutely money. The most water resistant pants that I own. I'll go ahead and actually demonstrate a little bit because I've been wanting to do this in a video anyway. Just pour a little bit on it and show you guys how effective the waterproofing is on those pants. And then just rolls right off. Shake it down. Very good pants. Lay them right back in the water. Doesn't matter. It'll dry. Couple pairs of wool socks. And then I'll have a pair on my feet as I leave. Coming up here, we'll start in the tools. Obviously, I'm bringing my SIG P365XL with me with 3 mags, 1 of 16, 2 of 12. My holster, gloves. Always need some gloves dealing with firewood, whatever. Thick brush. Solar charger. And then for Jaeger, I'm obviously bringing more food than what you see here. It's just I'm making some fresh stuff. I'm actually going to be cooking on the campfire for you guys. So I just wanted to show a couple of the things I'm bringing. But this is for Jaeger. This is fresh food. This is the chicken and turkey recipe. 2 pounds with eggs, cranberry, sweet potatoes, and green beans. It's ready to serve. Just keep it nice and cold until we go. Jaeger's harness. Jaeger's leash. He's well trained off a leash. I'm just bringing the leash just in case. You never know. Work back over here. I'm going to go ahead and move that Happy Top back out of the way. Have my Garmin Tactic 7 AMO LED edition. Like I said, my best GPS tool. Love it. Can't go wrong. You literally cannot go wrong with this watch or any Garmin watch that I've used, to be honest. Bringing my Gerber. One of my favorite knives. Bringing some binoculars, look across the tundras, look into the spruce forest, what have you. Cordage, always bring cordage. My Bigfoot Bushcraft fire tin, and inside of it is my striker. That's all I have in there. I'm going to shove a lighter in there as well. And I'm also going to take some cotton balls and rub them in Aquaphor and have those as well. That works great to get a fire going. That's a pro tip. Come up here, map of the local area. Always bring a map with you. I'm also going to have a compass. It's just not out yet. It's actually in the pack. A lot of the stuff here that you guys will probably be wondering about, like, where's this toothbrush, hygiene kits, blah, 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 like those types of things. It's all in there. I wasn't trying to be disrespectful when I said blah, blah, blah. I'm just like, those are a lot of the comments I get. People are like, oh, you're missing this, you're missing this. Well, it's all in there. Water purification tablets, water filter, things like that. It's packed away in the pack. A lot of that stuff doesn't come out after my trips. I just leave it packed for the next one because I go on so many. This will be my breakfast on the second morning. I've been wanting to eat that, so I'm going to do that. A couple energy packs here. And like I said, guys, I'm bringing a couple filet mignons out, some fresh sweet potatoes that I'm going to cut up and season. I'm actually going to do that tonight and get that put in a bag, let that really absorb the seasoning. Some dude wipes here. These bowls, I'm super excited to try these bowls out. They were, what I'm going to do is have one for Jaeger and one for myself, so I can put his food in here. I can put water in here for him, and the other one for me as I eat. Cooking pot, just a stainless steel, nothing fancy, just something easy that can cook on the fire. And that's another reason that the gloves will come in handy. But yeah, guys, this is just a basic overlook of the things that I'm going to be bringing on this trip. A few things that I'm definitely going to get. I'm getting a Sawyer water filter. A lot of you commented on my last video, or the video prior to the trip video, my last gear video. Everybody was recommending the Sawyer, so I'm definitely going to get it. It seems that you cannot go wrong with the Sawyer. I have a life straw currently. I always bring fresh water, but there's a lot of water sources, so I could definitely cut back on the weight by bringing a Sawyer. Oh yeah, something else I just picked up. I'm really excited for this. I picked up this Coast headlamp because it comes with a lifetime warranty. It's got a red option. You can hold it. You can make it brighter. You can make it dimmer. Then it has a white option. You can make it dim. You can make it super bright. And then if you turn it off and you hold it, you can max out the brightness. It also has on the back of it a safety, so you can be seen. The back, this one blinks. And then if you click it again, it stays solid. And then click it again, it goes off. It's rechargeable. Shows you the battery level, 4 bars. I'm super excited to use that. It'll be extremely helpful since it'll just be me on this trip with hands to hold a light, do whatever I need to do. I set this tent up earlier to get proficient with the tent. It's pretty cut and dry, very easy tent to set up. Extremely comfortable, very solid material. This is Big Agnes, by the way. This is a 4-man. This is out of Steamboat. They're out of Steamboat Springs, Colorado. And then, of course, have my GoPro. This thing's been money. I'll show you guys what I bring and how much I bring with me. Get this open here. Sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand, and I'm just gonna bring that here. So with me, I bring my charger. There's a battery in there, so there's 1 battery plus 4 more here. These are all fully charged. This is the last one that needs to get fully charged, so 5 batteries. Have my ultra wide lens. Put that back. Microphone for the media mod. The microphone on that media mod's insane. If you've watched my last video, which was the full trip video with Doc, 4 days and 3 nights, that media mod can pick up sound. It can pick up your footsteps from, like, no kidding, over 100 feet away. It's just insane. This is the light that connects to the top of the media mod if you're getting dark, like low light footage. GoPros don't they struggle with low light, but with that media mod on, the footage is great, and obviously the footage is great in the daytime or when it's bright. Head strap, extra cords, extra things, and mounts. I keep the one mount in here, up top for the camera. This thing's money. It's a tripod. It extends out super far. Been extremely useful. Guys, if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comment sections. Any suggestions, any criticisms, I love hearing it. Go ahead and put that in the comment section for me. I'm super excited for this trip, guys. I'm super excited to bring you this footage. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe. It helps the channel out. It helps me out a ton. And go check out that trip video with Doc and I. It was a great time, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. This video will be up shortly. It'll be up soon. One last thing I wanted to add, guys. I went ahead and brought my Fiskars hatchet with me as well. I put it here in the gear pile for you guys to see. I was going to bring it regardless, but I wanted it to be in the spread for the thumbnail. Also put my Merrills out. And another thing, I'm not bringing a cooking stove or fuel. I'm relying completely on my ability to get a fire started regardless of the weather, to cook my food and to boil the water and to get the water hot for my MREs and for the fresh food that I'll be bringing with me that needs to be cooked. So I'm really excited to bring this one to you guys. I'm really excited to get it up for you guys to enjoy. With that, I will see you guys on the next one.